So I'm about to eat this, but I want me some good chips. So I'm gonna make my own right quick. I got my oil heating up, so let's do it. All right, there go the chips. Now we're about to fry these in some canola oil. Yeah. Now I'm eating seafood salad with these chips right now. Look what I'm gonna put on them when they come out the grease. Nigga. Fry, baby, fry. Yeah. Go ahead and put you some of that Old Bay on them paper towels that's gonna catch that grease. Don't even worry about it. Just do it and thank me later. All right. Layer number 1. Ooh, these gonna be so good. And just fry them until they start getting a little golden. You don't need to let them stay in there for too long. Second layer. Looking good, girls. I'm about to cut up some more to make some chips, but something with a little twist. See, with my cream cheese ice cream later on tonight when the baby go to sleep. Okay, things that you need to enjoy later. Let me tell you something. This about to be off the chain with this seafood salad. Now, as for these that we can put on the side, this is how we doing these right here. Yeah, dust a little bit of that on there. Oh, that's powdered sugar. And we're going to take a little bit of this cinnamon sugar. Let her dance on there a little bit. Yeah, going to eat that with a little cream cheese ice cream tonight when the baby go to sleep. Yes, grown-up snacks. Get into it. Now, as for this seafood dip, this is how we're going to do this here. All right, baby, seafood salad and Old Bay chips. Psh, bruh. All right, baby, seafood salad and Old Bay chips. Psh, bruh. Thank you for watching my videos. Please make sure you support, share, comment, like, tell everybody about me. If you're not supporting, what you watching for? God willing, it'll be tomorrow.